Welcome back, friends, to Medicare Tales and Marshmallows, the only podcast where we serve up real conversations about Medicare Advantage with a side of wit and whatever's roasting on a stick. Today's guest has cooked for jazz legends, church banquets, and one very picky poodle named Coco. He's turned a Medicare grocery card into gourmet gold. Say hello to the one and only Tyrone T-Bone.
Glad to be here, Kim. I brought snacks, and guess what? They have low sodium with prior authorization. I guarantee.
That's how we like it. So, Tyrone, you're on a Medicare Advantage plan with a grocery benefit. What got you interested in that?
Man, when I found out I could get healthy food paid for with my plan, I said sign me up before they changed their minds. I used to work the grill, but now I work the card. Veggies, whole grains, yogurt that doesn't taste like wallpaper. It's a game changer.
I love that. Sounds like you turned it into a creative challenge.
Oh, absolutely. I started doing covered ingredient only dinners. Everything had to come from what the card could buy. No cheating. I even hosted a chili night. Low sodium beans, lean ground turkey, and one secret spice I'm taking to the grave.
That's next level, Tyrone. Any favorite finds?
One time, I got collard greens, quinoa, canned salmon, and a lemon. Turned it into something my neighbor called salmon magic. He tried to offer me a copay just to get seconds.
On that note, let's talk about cost sharing. How's your plan treating you on that front?
Darling, pretty fair, I'd say. I got a $0 premium, low copays for primary care, maybe $25.
Right.
Specialists are higher, but I make sure I get my money's worth. I once showed up to my cardiologist with a list of 12 questions, a blood pressure log, and homemade muffins, baked with pre-approved ingredients, of course. We both left satisfied.
That must have been one deliciously healthy patient encounter.
It's not all sugar and spice, though, and one thing that frustrates me is the over-the-counter brochure. It's like ordering from a 1997 airline magazine. You want a blood pressure cuff? Great, but you'll have to flip past 7 pages of bunion cream first. And sometimes they mail me weird stuff I didn't ask for. I once got adult wipes and a knee brace I never asked for. I said, is this a hint or just poor logistics? I tell folks all the time, if you're not using your benefits, you're just leaving seasoning on the table. You don't need to be a chef to eat well. You just need a plan, a list, and maybe my chili recipe.
Exactly.
You've turned health benefits into high art. Final tip for folks exploring these perks? Use them. These extras aren't just fluff. They can keep you out of those costly hospital admissions and put good food on your table. And if your plan offers cooking classes, take one, even if your best dish is roasted marshmallows. I see you got jokes. Tyrone T-Bone, y'all, making Medicare meals magical. Thanks, Kim. And remember, good health care and good food both start with knowing what's in your pantry and your plan. That's a wrap on this week's Medicare Tales and Marshmallows. If Tyrone taught us anything, it's that good benefits don't just fill your pantry, they fill your soul. Until next time, stay smart, stay well fed, stay healthy.